Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So
We're
at the Dollar Tree, and yeah, and so I got balloons and
what you wanted?
yeah. Wait, can we shop for like 16 more minutes?
Okay, I'm gonna go stand in line because I don't know if y'all saw it or not.
I did not see it, but yeah, we're gonna go. But we're buying fidgets today, and I got 2 fidgets. Well, not technically fidgets, but yeah. And yeah, so yeah, and yeah, so yeah. Okay, I'm done doing that. Oh, we could do that. Oh, we could paint. Yeah. So they have this stuff. So yeah, yeah, that stuff, and this stuff. And if you don't know, but happy Father's Day. So yeah, like we're shopping on Father's Day, cause yeah, we just are. My cousin is following me. She's like right there. And so I'm going down to the toy aisle. Well, they don't. It's party supplies. Party supplies. This is all party supplies. I might get another pack of balloonies. I may and I may not. I don't know. So yeah. What do you want, child? Wait, so they have this stuff? So magical, right? I don't know.
So Kendall,
What?
I spent pretty much all my stuff on this pop socket.
Oh, you got a pop.
Orby squishy
Yeah.
and poop flat ball.
And then what's that?
This is
You got 2 pops up? Oh, so
I got
no.
one.
You have $17 left. Oh. Oh, I forgot. So I have $18 left, so I can get like 18 things. But I don't know what I want, so I'm just gonna like close my eyes. I'm gonna go in the balloon aisle and close my look like this. Okay, so I'm closing my eyes, as you can see. Hopefully I don't run into that pool. Wait, no, wrong section. What am I doing? Girly stuff. In which? Okay, I'm in the wrong aisle. Molly, where are you? Okay, so here's that stuff. So let me put my stuff on the ground. Okay, ready? Just so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if you can see me. But there's a balloon. You can't set it up. I don't know, but okay. And oh, something fell. Stop. Okay, so we're not gonna get that. Okay. Yeah, so my parents said I can't get that because it's messy. But yeah. Okay, so I don't want pink, but okay. This. Wait, no. Did these have black? Okay, I'm getting these. Pile. Doll. $20. Okay, so now I have $17, and I don't know what else to get. I might get another Orby stretch ball social. They put my foot on that. Used. Okay, so we're gonna come over here and get another Orby stretch. Okay, so now I have $16. Okay, so I kind of need a basket now. So let's walk over to the basket so I can get a basket. The Disney. Yeah, hold on. I need a cart. Oh wait, no, I need a basket. I don't need a cart. I just need a basket. There we go. There we go. Basket. Okay. Molly, I have these bowls at my mom's house. Molly, you can buy a water bottle. Ew, why are you being so weird?
I don't know which. I'm looking for pointy nails, but I don't know.
No, your parents probably won't let you. How about you get those?
Because
How about those?
my parents do let me wear long nails.
Ah,
Oh my god, those are so pretty.
okay, yeah, get those. Jeez, okay. So we got that. So, yeah, I have that. And we're walking down to the party station. No, it's not what I need. Whoops, wrong guy. So they have cool stuff. Should I get one of these? I don't know. Should I? They don't bounce good. Do they have footballs? But I might not get one. Okay, so they have this. I don't like that. It doesn't. Nothing bounces. What? Pink. Okay, I'm gonna get the red one. How much? Okay, I have $5. So I have $15 left. So yes, today I'm going to be using all my money. Should I get one of these? And no, I never play with it. Oh, this is why they gave. I'm gonna get a slinky. I don't know why, I just feel like getting a slinky. So let's look at the colors. Oh, this is all the colors. Oh, nah, right. So I'll just get the rainbow ones. So now I have $14. It's going low, 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 low. Apple pop cheese. And so they have two things. There's this stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just walking around stores and there's people. Nope, 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 not today. Not today. Not today. Molly. Oh, look, it's Jesus. Jesus. Ew. Okay, so, address. Oh my god. You need to write. Oh, I can't. Nope, not this. This is psychopath. Should I get this? Would I be a psychopath to get this? Would I? I don't know. I think I just. Should I be? Should I? Okay, we're gonna get the white paper. See, it's 50 cents. Pretend I didn't do that. So we actually might need a cart. I'll just hold this. Yeah, we're gonna need a cart. So this fell. Well, I could get two of them. Yeah, I'm gonna get two. Yeah, see, they said two for $1. Yeah, so we're gonna get two. Because why not? So I'm gonna go get a cart. I probably look like a psychopath. Yes, but I actually should have got the cart.
You can't do anything. You can't do anything. You can't do anything but you can get here.
I know it is. Been there, done that.
Oops, sorry.
I'm sorry.
am I struggling? Where's my grandma? Did they leave? Did they forget me? No, their car is so cute. I just can't find it. Molly, where are you? There you are. I found one of my cousins. Yes, I have this.
Wait, where's Molly now?
That's what I'm trying to find. Molly?
Yeah, Molly's been looking for you, but you have to get in the
Where is
line
she?
with Grandma.
No.
I've been looking for you.
Where is she?
Hey guys.
Hi.
We've been trying to. Oh hi.
I still have one.
Guys, we have to go in the line with Grandma.
Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I
Let's
still
go
have
do-
$12. Okay, so
Guys, do you want to go to the line? I will show you where the line
No,
is.
we're not going to the line yet.
Okay,
Johnny.
I know, but Grandma's in a long line.
Okay, should I get one of these? Oh, I like word searches. Should I get word searches? Should I get word searches? I think I should get word searches. Large print. We're gonna get this one. Yep. Hi. Mhm. Yeah. Okay. We're back at the party hour. I swear the amount. Really? Why is this here? This is why I don't like carts. Oh my god. Hang on. Can't believe I have to get all this from. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm good now. We're good. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these. No, that one's open. I'm not getting that. Oh, that's my eyes. I'm stocking up on balloons. Leave me alone.
Grandma said if you don't come now, you have to take everything out.
Okay, well, I'm coming. Tell her I'm coming.
Oh my god, what the heck?
Yeah, I got this. What she said?
That matched my personality better.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going in the line. Okay, Molly, I have a cart. Okay, well, when I get in line, it's goodbye. So I got 2 big pieces of paper.
I don't have the number.
Come on, because the line is so long. We gotta go now.
Can I pay you when I get back?
Yeah.
I could have still shopped.
No. You see how long the line is? No.
I'm good. Okay.
We're gonna be
Well,
standing here.
thank you
a
for
few minutes.
watching. I have to leave. But this is all that I got. It's a lot. But
I have
thank you for
$0.
watching. Bye.
I have $0.
Bye.
Kendall.
Bye. Just goodbye. Just
Bye bye.
here. Say bye.
Bye bye. Go fish.
Molly, say bye. Say.